I am connected to my deepest wisdom. Welcome to the new moon in Taurus 2021. What you see here is organic dried chamomile, half a cup. And I also have a half a cup of dry organic lavender. I also have money honey. It's 100% pure abundance from Magic Migraine. And this delicious honey is also going to be used for this spiritual bath. I have about 32 ounces of filtered water, and I'm adding the chamomile, the lavender, and I'm going to be putting 4 tablespoons of this delicious money honey. In this new moon, pray for what you desire, what you want to build on, to manifest, a work to generate, a mission to unfold, a project to begin, a happening to take place. Pray for new thoughts, new visions, new beginnings. Are there alternatives worth exploring from your current situation? This money honey is absolutely delicious, and I add it into the spiritual bath, and I let the herbs steep for about 20 minutes. In this ritual bath, I'm using blossoms of lavender and chamomile to stay calm, grounded, and introspective as springtime vitality emerges. Chamomile is helpful for supporting the flow of life force, and folklore believes it to be helpful in attracting abundance. Honey provides cleansing for the body, as we have the potential to accumulate congestions in our cells and channels during this robust time of year. What I have here is a smoking blend. I have clear quartz crystal. I have the Sacred Woman, a guide to healing the feminine body, mind, and spirit. Sacred Woman, I'm learning a lot about our sacred womb. And I'm going to be doing a couple of questions from that book in order to connect with my womb and my essence.